In this lecture, we will discuss one of the very important use of derivative for mathematics for business. There are three things in business we generally study. What is the revenue? Revenue means whatever amount we are getting. Cost means total spend, how much we are doing spendings. Revenue means you can say earnings, and cost means spendings. Clear? And this is the profit. So there are three things: revenue, cost, and profit. What do you mean by revenue? Revenue, if you want to calculate total revenue, so how much price of one unit? Means if we are making, say, mobile phone in our company, so what is the price of one unit, one mobile phone, and how many mobile phones we are manufacturing? That total amount will be the revenue. So revenue is equal to price per unit into number of units, quantity of units, that is X. So this is called a revenue function. If revenue is given, only revenue is given, we need to multiply it by X. If direct revenue function is given, then that means this is given. So in that case, multiply of X is not required. In this course, in this lecture, I will explain you where X multiplication is required and where it is not required. Okay. So revenue function means price of one unit and quantity of units. Similarly, the cost function is the average cost per unit. What is the average cost of one unit? That is the cost function, and quantity of units. So average means C bar. You studied in statistics that average is represented by bar, X bar. Here it is average cost per unit, so C bar. So cost function is equal to average cost per unit into X, Cx, C bar X. And profit is always R minus C. Clear? So this is the profit function. So first, from the given question, if you see, I want to show you here, given the price of Real Omani per unit, it is price is given. Price means what is this? Price per unit, this one. This is given. And if a price is given, then we need to multiply the given function into X. But I will show you the another question. Given that the revenue function, if revenue function is given, then no need to multiply X. Here direct revenue function is given, but in the other question revenue function was not given. So in some of the problems you need to find the revenue function. Some of the questions directly revenue function will be given. Okay. Now these are the three important things. What is the marginal function? Marginal function, I will tell you the derivative of a function. If you find the derivative of the revenue function or cost function or profit function, then they are marginal. Clear? So if you find the derivative R dash of the revenue function, then it becomes marginal revenue. Similarly, if you differentiate C dash find of the cost function, then it becomes the marginal cost. So marginal word is used when you are differentiating it, when you are taking the first derivative, and profit P dash is equal to marginal profit. Clear? So there are two important things that you need to remember here. If price per unit is given, then you need to multiply X to make it revenue function. Clear? But if revenue function is given, no need to multiply X. This is the first thing. Second thing is, if you are taking derivative, clear? then they become the marginal, like marginal revenue, marginal cost, and marginal profit. These are the three important things that you need to remember. Clear? Okay, so we will solve three questions for this one, and one question definitely will come for you in homework assignment as well as in final exam. So what is the question? Question is, given the price in Riyal Omani per unit. This is price of 1 unit. What is the price of 1 unit? P is equal to minus 3x power 2 plus 600x. This is. So this is price. Price means if you want to find the revenue function, then price of 1 unit into quantity. Clear? Quantity we do not know. What is the quantity? So price is how much? Minus 3x power 2 plus 600x into x. Quantity we are considering, let x quantities we are manufacturing. So if you will multiply, it is minus 3 x into x power 2, it will become x power 3, and it will be 600 x into x is x power 2. So what was the first thing given? The first thing given was price. Then what we evaluated? We evaluated the revenue function. Now we'll find the marginal revenue, and let it is denoted by Rx. Marginal revenue. And marginal revenue is what? R dash x. R dash x. So it is d by dx first term plus d by dx second term. And if you will differentiate it, minus 3 into x power 3, it is 3x power 3 minus 1. So 2 plus 600 x power 2, 2x power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it is minus 9x power 2 plus 1200x. This is the marginal revenue. Clear? Now what he is asking, what is the question? This is without reading question we evaluated, because this is the common thing we need to do. Now we need to find the marginal revenue at 300 units. So marginal revenue, clear, is equal to how much? It is R dash x at x is equal to, he is asking for 300. So it is minus 9 300 square plus 1200 into 300. And dear friends, if you will simplify this using calculator, so it is 300 square, so it is this one into 9 is equal to this one, and it is negative. So negative and plus, how much plus? It is 12 3 36, and how many 0? 2 and 2 4, 1 2 3 4. So if you will simplify this, how much you are getting? You are getting minus 45, 1 2 3 4, this much of 0. So this is revenue, but this is a 3 marks question. 1 mark question is marginal revenue. Another question is 1 mark this one. And the last one is interpret the result. Interpret the result means, what do you mean? It means if production, this is the conclusion, if production increases from 300 units to 301 units, means if there is a production increase of 1 unit, the revenue Revenue means negative, we are getting revenue. That means the revenue means decrease. The revenue decreases by how much amount? By 4512,340 Omani Riyal. Riyal Omani, you generally we write RO. Riyal Omani. This is. So this is the question. So because we evaluated at 300, so we will write 300 to 301. That means if we increase the production from 300 to 301 units, the revenue will decrease by this much of Riyal Omani. This is the question. Clear? So this question was based on the revenue. Now the question based on the cost. So what is this? Average cost in Riyal Omani. So what is given? Average cost of a unit is equal to how much? C bar is equal to 357 x plus 1800. Now you can see C bar is given. If you will see, it is C bar is given. And if C bar is given, to find the cost function, we need to multiply it by x. Clear? So what is this? This is cost function. Is average cost into quantity. So average cost is C bar 357 x plus 1800 into x. So it will become 357 x power 2 plus 1800 x. This is the cost function. And then after evaluating cost function, we will find the marginal cost. And let's denote it by Cx, marginal cost. And marginal cost is C dash x. C dash x means d by dx, first term 357 x power 2 plus d by dx 1800 x. And how much it is? 357 x 2x power 2 minus 1. So 2x and plus 1800. Derivative of x, it is 1. So how much it is? It is 714. No. X plus 1800. This is marginal cost. Clear? Now he asking marginal cost at 50 units. So marginal cost at x is equal to 50 equals to, it is 714 into 50 plus 1800. So 714 into 50 plus 1800. It is 90,000. So how much we are getting? We are getting, the answer is 90,000. Should let us find it. 90,000 Riyal Omani. This is clear. So if we are getting it, so just a minute. 714 into 50 plus 1800. It is 37500. Wrongly I written. I was thinking that this is coming big number. 500 Riyal Omani. Clear? This is okay. Now, what is the interpretation? Interpretation is if production, now it is positive. Positive means profit. So cost will increase. Here plus means increase. If production increases from 50 to 51 units, then the cost increases by 37500 Riyal Omani. This is. So in both the questions, if you will see, we multiply by X. But if we choose the third question, what is this? Here it is not giving the cost or revenue. Here giving directly revenue function. So in this question, revenue function is given, means Rx is given. So it is minus 3x power 3 plus 600x power 2. This is clear. So what is the marginal revenue? Marginal revenue function, it is R dash x. R dash x means d by dx minus 3x power 3 plus d by dx 600x power 2. Clear? So evaluate, it is minus 3x power 3, it is 3x power 2 plus 600. What is the derivative of x power 2? It is 2x. So it is minus 9x power 2 plus 6 times 12x. Now what he is asking? He is asking marginal profit. Oh, he is asking marginal profit at 10 units. Okay, so marginal revenue means R dash x at 10. If we'll calculate minus 9, 10 square plus 1200 into 10. Let us multiply. So if we'll simplify this using calculator, then it will be 10 into 10 is 100 into 9. So 900 with negative sign and plus 12,000. 1, 2, 3. So it is 11,100. 11,100 is the revenue, marginal revenue. Now cost function also given. What is given? Cost function. Cost function means Cx. Cx is how much? 357 x power 2 plus 1800x. Clear? So marginal cost means marginal cost is C dash x, and C dash x means d by dx, the first function, and d by dx, the second function. And if you will simplify it, you will get 741x, and this will get 1800. This is. And now what? 10 units. So marginal cost at 10. X is equal to 10. So 714 into 10 plus 1800. And this will be how much? This will be 714 multiplied by 10, 0 plus 1800. This is 8940. 8940. So this is the revenue, this is the cost. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Clear? Revenue is 11,100 minus 8,940. And if we'll simplify this, 11,100 minus 8,940, and this is 2,160. 2,160 Riyal Omani. So what is the interpretation? Interpretation is, if we increase the production from 10 units to 11 units, the profit increases by 2,160 Riyal Omani. Clear? So what is this interpretation? If we increase the units from 10 to 11, then the profit, because we calculated what? We calculated the profit, and how much profit? 2,160. This is the profit. So profit increases by 2,160 Riyal Omani. Clear? So this is the question. So there are 3-4 questions in your course material, and 3 I have already finished. So please practice these questions. These are not very difficult, very easy. Thank you.